Hi, welcome to CyberRock. So today topic is how to configure the TACACS user without AD. So just a moment, I'm just logging the my CyberRock servers. Okay. So I'm today teaching about the how to configure the uh, TACACS login. You can able to access the TACACS server. We have the two types of user accounts. One is the admin user accounts. Okay, this is the admin user account. How to configure the admin user account? These are multiple user account over here. These are the accounts you can manage over here. This is super admin accounts. Okay, so this is this not managing any accountability for this any user. So I need to configure the help desk account. I need to configure the students accounts so they can access my ClearPass servers. So how to do this? It's possible. And if you are not AD servers, if you don't have AD servers, how to do this? One second. If some client we don't have the using Active Directory, they concern they have no control to number of user creating the being new users and multiple admin users. So it possible to our in the CPPM your local user repository we can create a new account and they can provide the admin access to the your NAC console. So I am achieving the without AD server. How to it possible to without AD server? I am going to configure the TACACS user login. So I am why going to configure TACACS because of the TACACS is sending the accountability. We can anything change in that user, so they can easily find out what they are change made. So that's why I configure the TACACS. This is the default user setting is admin user. This is a default user admin is super admin. This is a default user. We can able to access the easily to your ClearPass. But I don't have the this this is a full administrator access. I don't have the this is not TACACS user. This is simple administrator plain user. Okay, this is not the TACACS. This is not accountability over here. That's it. So I need to configure the TACACS user so that you can manage the all the logs, configure log, delete log, anything change that can capture the logs. So that's I'm configuring the TACACS servers. So just I'm going to how to just I'm showing to how to configure the TACACS servers. For the without AD server I'm achieving that without AD server I'm configuring the TACACS user login. They are able to access my ClearPass server to the TACACS user. Now I'm confident I don't have the AD. The only they are logging the admin credentials, so they are able to access. But I don't have the. I am providing the access to the all my students to the access to my servers with the help of TACACS. So I'm providing the access privilege the as per your requirement that read only access, read access as per your requirement, and that user only TACACS user. So I am going to configurations. I'm showing to how to configure achieve that without AD server, achieving the TACACS configuration and provide the access to the with the help of on the ClearPass. So I go to the first dashboard, go to the configurations, local user. By default, one user is there, so you can delete over here. Don't worry, I'm deleting all the users. I don't have any users. So I'm going to the configurations, local user. So their option is add, import, export, and account. I'm clicking on the accounts. Account is the password lane. We can configure that username password. So can mention the password lane. Minimum 1, maximum 120 bit. This complexity you can add the use the complexity upper, lower. You can configure like the any condition at least one symbol. So you can use this upper and lower complexity for the configure the password setting. So that is also possible or in the NAC console. We can configure the policy. Okay. So I'm configuring no password complexity. That's it. At least one upper and one lower. That's it. I'm conditioning at least one upper and one lower. That's it. Disallow the character. You need to configure the @ exclamation hash like the these are numbers is not allowed. You can disallow the characters. Okay, disclose the words, any words you can configure, that's also possible. Expiry days, you can configure that account is 120 days or 30 days, that is possible. Again, password must be different to previous password. Password it should be reset the password 120, yeah, 90 days as per your requirement. You also configure any message display to the user, that also possible. These are the setting to the your days expected, days exceed, password change, not change. This policy we can configure. These are the account setting tabs. Okay, you configure. So I'm not configuring because I'm not showing only for the overview of that account setting. I'm just configure the uh, some config test admin. I'm just configure the test admin. It's a new user test admin. Sorry, test test admin. Enter the password. Enter the repeat password 123. Okay, select any roles. So I am role creating that user. These are the roles. We can provide any roles over there. So these are the roles: super admin, API help desk, network admin, read only access, receptionist. Okay, so I'm configure the super admin. You can configure the department. I'm just configure the network. Sorry, network team. Okay, we need to configure the so I'm just configure the test admin. Okay, password do not match. I'm just something wrong. Admin 3. Okay, something password is wrong. Okay, now as I'm creating the one user for test admin, department network team, role say TACACS. Okay, if you check this, check this, change the password next login, they are going to direct mail ID. You can configure mail. This is different way. Don't use this one. It's configure the ID, everything. I don't have the ID, so I am not going to check tick on that box. Okay, so just I'm configure only. I am creating only the user. I am configuring the condition. That means you need to configure the service also. So I have the already one service internet ready. I'm just copy the service and create a new service. Copy the service. That service going to direct total down. Now open the service, change the name. CPPM login with okay. So these are the conditions fine. These are conditions fine, no issue. Authentication should be remove the ID. I'm just local database. That's it. Role no require role. Enforcement may be required, so I'm just checking the enforcement. It's fine, no issue. Save it. Reorder the service. That service should be up. The service going to up. This our service going to up. Service on. Okay, so my service is ready and my user also is created on that local database. So this achievement, my motto achievement for the who don't have the AD, so I'm configuring the access to the TACACS that able to access the user on the with the help of TACACS login, not to admin login. Okay, that my achievements. So I'm just log out. This is my Clearpass. I'm just checking the test admin add 123. So now I log in. See I'm just checking the log. So log is there. See, these are policy we are just created. See, CPPM login with TACACS user. This is a policy. Request, policies, profile superadmin, user authenticated TACACS superadmin. That authentication source is local user repository. Okay, only for this condition is required. Authorizations, timing. So this is our service we are using. So this policy I am creating. Again I show you how to do this. Go to local user, create the one user, test admin, any name you can put over the. I am just creating the new one more I am creating. I am just creating the one names. I am not creating the name what Martin password. I am configure the password. Okay, select the role, read only. Martin is read only access. So I am just configure department may be the department sales. Okay, so Martin, I am just creating the one more user for Martin and provide the access to the only read only access. Save it. So I am going to service, TACACS login, enforcement, policy, role, copy, Martin. Don't add this, first remove it, save it. So I'm just trying again. Log out. Martin. Okay, Martin. So Martin is able to access. That means it's working. See, the Martin is log is coming over here. Request, pass, timing, username Martin, policy, local regulatory, username read only access, authorization, pass, timing. Okay. So this is our achievement. Again, this is 1 second. So you can able to see this is a read only access. So that user Martin for read only. So we can't change anything. I just go to this. I'll show you. I'm not creating anything. I didn't save option is not there. See, if this save option is not there. The read only user don't have the access. They are not changing anything. So this Martin only for read only user. I'm not change anything. I'm not creating anything. So that's Martin only read only access. This Martin is read only access. So they are not change anything. Nothing. Save option is not available. So this I am configuring the read only access super admin and configure the read only access. So that's your achievement for the without AD server. We have achieved the TACACS configuration user. We can able to access the user with the help of TACACS. There I can manage the all the logs. I can manage the all the logs for particular users. Okay, super admin user, admin user. So it's possible to achieve without AD server. We can configure the login, create the users, provide the access, employee and help desk or operator, anything you can provide the access without AD server. We can achieve it. AD is there, so it's 100% authority with the AD server, but we don't have the AD, so we are using the local database servers and achieve the Clearpass policy manager able to access the with the help of without AD servers. So I'll do it and I'll show you the how to do this. We can use it. Okay, that's working fine. Anything challenge, anything confusion, mismatch, please drop a mail or a message. I will suggest you how to do this. Anything change, but my video I think suggested is perfectly. I'm showing how to do this. So I think 100 I'll show, but I'm showing one second. Endpoint repository, that's it. Endpoint repository, don't have this one, didn't have this one, but I don't have the access. So 1 second, I'm changing the where test admin, one second. So test admin, I'm logging to test admin there, policies, local user repository. Okay, oh, so this is not required, this also is not required, only for this one is required, only for this one is required for this configuration in the authentication local user repository. That's it. Again I'm log out and login. Martin, so it's working fine. So you can configure like that. Only policy condition is required, and you can check here only the local database we can manage the all the accounts. Okay, so I guess showing log you can Martin is access, this only user access. Martin you don't have the access to the configure, not tab is no save, nothing, not changing anything. So read that access, multiple access over there you can configure like what you need. Okay, so without AD server we achieve the TACACS configuration. So multi API admin, help desk. Okay, so we can provide the access. So thank you for watching my channels.